3 months ago, I planted a few yard-long bean seeds on my terrace. I installed a simple drip irrigation system, and then life became busy. I completely forgot about them. Today I suddenly remembered my terrace garden. When I came here, I was shocked. The plants had grown everywhere. Flowers were blooming. And long beans were hanging like green ropes. Some of them are more than 2 feet long. I never expected this. Today became the first harvest day. And surprisingly, I collected more than 2 kilograms. Sometimes nature works quietly in the background. Even when we forget. And when we return, it surprises us with abundance. Standing here today, holding these long beans in my hand, I felt something simple but powerful. Nature does not rush. It does not complain. It just keeps growing, quietly, every single day. All it needed was a little soil, some sunlight, and a few drops of water from that drip line. And slowly, life unfolded on this terrace. First the tiny sprouts. Then the climbing vines. Then delicate flowers. And finally these beautiful yard-long beans. Sometimes we think we must control everything for things to grow. But this plant reminded me that sometimes letting nature do its work is enough. A small forgotten corner of the terrace turned into a small harvest of joy today. And moments like this remind us that even the simplest seeds can bring the biggest surprises.